Good morning. This is Keisha here at tradewithresolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. Now, if you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes along when trading in the stock market, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below for more content. I'm currently watching Apple here. I do believe that the price is going to decline, so I am looking to purchase some put options here, anticipating that the price of Apple is going to decrease. Let's see what happens with the price action. I am now in the trade. I bought 6 contracts at 98 cents. Let's see if the price of Apple can decline. I am now all out of the trade for a $112 profit, which equates to about a 20% gain. So not too bad for a 20-minute trade. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.